1 megawatt of rental power in a 20 high-Q container. Let's check out our latest design of rental spec generator powered by Cummins engine. This unit is fitted with motorized louvers, which can prevent moisture ingress when the generator is in storage. Let's check out the inside of this generator. On the top is the built-in silencers, which ensure efficient on-road transportation for this generator. And this Leroy summer alternator is with digital AVR and AR EP system with a short circuit capacity of 3 times the nominal current for 10 seconds. All the cables are fully enclosed to meet the requirements of global safety regulations. Down below is a large capacity 110% fully bonded fuel tank with breather for 8 hours of continuous operation at 75% of generator rated power. Let's see the control panel of this generator. It's with a WOODWARD controller that supports synchronization of multiple generators. And the emergency stop button is also standard. An ABB 4-pole circuit breaker is located in this dedicated compartment. It's with extended bus bars for convenient cable connection. This Cummins engine features modular common rail fill system and the state-of-the-art integrated electronic control system, which provides superior performance and efficiency. And the lockable battery isolator switch is also fitted to prevent unauthorized personnel from operating this generator. Let's check out the other side of this generator. Each door is fitted with a stainless steel door lock, which can be opened from inside. And sound attenuating materials are covered by perforated steel, which can be cleaned by jet water. A multi-stage door stay is also standard. Fire extinguishers are also included in the container. And heavy-duty fuel water separators provide enhanced filtration for the engine fuel supply. Internal lighting system is also available for easy daily checks and maintenance. For more information on our products, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.